No, not at all. You fat lip duck nose. Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
No?
I can't feel my nose.
She's not drunk, I swear. She had
I'm not drunk, I can't.
2 teeth pulled and, yeah, her whole face is kind of frozen now. Can't move her nose.
Trace the perimeter. Here, okay, start here. And go, yeah, still down there. Okay, going down here. Yeah, all that's numb. I know. I'm drooling.
She already has drooling problems, and this isn't really helping much.
No. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Let's go see the door to nowhere. I'm still numb. Kind of stupid. What? Okay, here's the door to nowhere.
Whoa. What if some, like, little 1-year-old kid goes out that window and, like, plummets and then rolls down the hill?
Here, I'm going to try to climb it.
Okay.
Good luck. Okay, good luck.
Good luck. What if the house alarm goes off?
Never mind. You want to try?
Not really.
Okay.
I'll probably set off the alarm, but I'll...
Yeah, me too.
Okay,
Okay, bye.